Hi, it's Anna. Sailing in the Sandy Strait. Trimaran sailing just with the jeep. Um, yeah, with like 10 knots of breeze. Um, my autopilot. Well, I fixed it, and then worked 2 minutes today, and broke it again. So yeah, the shaft moving freely. I put the part again this afternoon, and I'll probably show what it's all about. Yeah, apart from that, there's some weather out at sea that's gonna stay at sea. I'm gonna go to a secret creek today. I'm very excited about it. It's flooding in tide, big tide. Yeah, I'm doing 5 to 7 knots just with the jeep, light breeze. I'm on my own autopilot in the strait, so I'm not putting full sail. I'll probably be doing 10, 10 if I was putting on, sorry, if I was putting on full sail. Other than that, yeah, I'm pretty happy. Yeah, arrived. The seagull greeted me at Anchorage, and it's very beautiful. It's very, 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 very beautiful. So yeah, further on land, space as far as you can be, you can see, and yeah, no one was around the way I like it. Beautiful, beautiful sunset, and beautiful place. And I'm gonna have some nice quesadilla and guacamole and little salad with some rum somewhere. And there's no one around. It's just gorgeous. And yeah, that's mates enjoying the sunset too. I don't know. As far as you can see, it's just peace and space, and this is why life is worth living. That's all. So, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you experience it one day, whether it's on a boat or doing something else you like. The feeling of space, like, it's not because we're on tiny boats that we are like, I never have cabin fever because I've got so much space around. And yeah, belong to this world, and this world belongs to me, so I'm gonna enjoy my sunset and my rum and my meal. And I wish you, wherever you are, very good evening. See you. We open to that very big estuary that go for miles, and we're gonna go checking what is there. Yeah. Stay tuned. I can hear the creek from here actually. Yeah, that's beautiful. So calm and peaceful. All the big trees. There's no breeze. There's no midges. I mean, yeah, midges, but they're all getting tips. So one advantage of having a dog, Mossy and midges are going straight to the dog apparently. So it's very funny. For little tips. Yeah. My God, still as beautiful as I remember it. Now everything around us is fresh water. We're in the middle of the forest. It smells like fresh water. It's fantastic. It's so beautiful. Like, if I disappear one day, I'm gonna live here. Like, it's one of the most beautiful places I've been in Australia. I won't tell what it is because it's secret. But my god, it's gorgeous. Just yeah. Um. So hopefully it's flowing, and hopefully I'm gonna be able to have a bath. Yeah. So there is much more water than last time I was here. Because obviously of the rain and all. So it's like last time it was like stopping here and the swimming pool was there. But this time it's very wild. It's pretty deep all the way around, like over 1 meter. And then you got that very lovely tree there. Look at that tree. Yeah, and obviously the big thing around that Tips is annoying, barking at, really look like a crocodile. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, and she's being upset. So I'm gonna have a swim. I'm gonna swim in the nude on my own. Yeah, the Adventure of Foutain. I think that's one of my favorite places in Australia. So much fresh water, drinkable water. Very secret thing. And Tipsy is showing attention because of the tree looking. Crocodile looking tree. It really looks like when you're around. It really looks like a park. Even the arms and also it's like that. And yeah. Special place, so I'll be careful to not disturb anything and not damage anything. I won't use products, I won't use soap, I won't use sun cream because it's very pristine here. I can set up paddle from the kayak and yeah. Beautiful. Classic girl over there. Classic Asta in the distance, and yeah. I'm taking into 20 northwesterly frequency. I've got one reef, and then I reduce the jib a bit. And because I'm on my own, I'm with a little bit of hardboard just to help me through the tags. But basically, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I've been doing tack all over the place. And yeah, I'm gonna watch Asta because she wants to go fast. Yeah, we're doing 7 knots. She was like the top of the tide, pretty much. So it's not too strong like wind against tide. I had to beat against the tide a little bit, but hey, it's relatively flat. The tide's gonna start helping me soon. And yeah, it's let's say 20 knots. We got 20 knots now. Or 15, 20 the gust. But I'm feeling okay. And see you later. I'm gonna attack.